Saving money for retirement in 2026 is not about predicting the future perfectly. It's not about retiring at 35, and it's definitely not about living in constant fear that you're falling behind. It's about understanding one simple truth. Small decisions, repeated consistently over decades, shape your financial future far more than one perfect move ever could. Time matters, consistency matters, emotional control matters. If you build steady systems today, your future security grows quietly in the background without forcing you to sacrifice your entire present life. Let's break it down. Number 10. Build stability before chasing high returns. Before you think about high-growth investments or complex strategies, ask yourself, is my financial foundation strong? A solid base includes an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, manageable or structured debt, stable monthly cash flow. If your base is shaky, retirement investing becomes fragile. Imagine investing aggressively, then facing a medical emergency or sudden job loss. If you don't have emergency savings, you may be forced to withdraw your investments at the worst possible time. That interruption hurts more than slow growth ever would. High returns are exciting, but protection is more important than excitement. A stable foundation allows your retirement plan to survive life's surprises, and survival is what allows compounding to do its job. Number 9. Start early, even with small amounts. One of the biggest retirement mistakes isn't investing badly, it's waiting too long. Many people think, I'll start when I earn more. I'll invest seriously once things settle down. It's too small to matter right now. But time is the most powerful factor in retirement savings. Thanks to compounding, money invested earlier grows exponentially compared to money invested later, even if the later amount is larger. For example, investing a small amount in your 20s or early 30s can outperform much bigger contributions that begin in your 40s. You don't need a big income to start. You need a starting point. Even a modest monthly contribution builds the habit, and once the habit is built, increasing it becomes easier. Starting early reduces pressure later. It buys you flexibility, and flexibility reduces stress. Number 8. Automate your retirement savings. If your retirement saving depends on motivation, it won't last. Motivation changes, discipline fades, life gets busy. Automation removes emotion from the process. Set up automatic transfers to your retirement account. Let the money move before you even see it in your checking account. When money never feels available, you don't feel like you're sacrificing it. You simply adapt your spending around what remains. Automation turns retirement saving into a background system, and systems are stronger than willpower. Over time, this quiet consistency builds significant wealth without daily effort. Number 7. Increase contributions slowly. One of the fastest ways to quit is to try saving too much too soon. If you suddenly attempt to save 30% of your income, your lifestyle may feel restricted. That pressure leads to burnout. Instead, increase gradually. You could raise contributions by 1% every year. Increase your savings when your salary increases. Direct bonuses or tax refunds into retirement. Small increases feel manageable, and manageable habits stick. Over 10 or 20 years, these gradual increases can dramatically change your retirement outcome without creating stress today. Intensity feels impressive. Consistency builds wealth. Number 6. Keep retirement money separate. Retirement savings should not sit in your everyday spending account. If your retirement money is easily accessible, it becomes psychologically available. And when stress hits, job issues, family emergencies, unexpected expenses, you may dip into it. Distance creates discipline. Keep your retirement funds in long-term investment accounts designed specifically for that purpose. If you're in India, this could include EPF, PPF, NPS, or long-term mutual funds. If you're in the US, that might mean a 401k or IRA. The structure itself helps protect you. When money requires extra steps to withdraw, you're less likely to use it impulsively. That small barrier can protect decades of growth. Number 5. Focus on regular investing, not timing the market. Trying to predict market highs and lows feels smart, but even professionals struggle to do it consistently. Waiting for the perfect time often leads to staying on the sidelines. Instead, focus on regular investing, monthly, quarterly, consistently. This strategy, often called dollar cost averaging, spreads your investment across different market conditions. Sometimes you buy when prices are high, sometimes when they're low. Over time, it averages out. More importantly, it removes stress. You don't need to guess, you just need to show up. Long-term repetition beats short-term prediction. Number 4. Adjust your plan as life changes. Retirement planning is not a one-time decision. Life evolves. Income changes. Marriage happens. Children arrive. Health shifts. Career paths change. If your retirement plan stays rigid while your life changes, misalignment grows. Review your plan once a year. Ask, has my income changed? Have my expenses increased? Do I need to adjust contributions? Has my risk tolerance shifted? Small annual adjustments prevent large future problems. Flexibility makes your plan sustainable. And sustainable plans last decades. Number 3. Control lifestyle inflation. When income increases, lifestyle often increases too. Bigger home, better car, frequent upgrades, more subscriptions, higher dining budgets. There's nothing wrong with improving your lifestyle, but if all additional income goes toward consumption, your future doesn't benefit from your growth. A powerful strategy is this. Every time your income increases, increase your retirement contribution too. Even allocating 30 to 50% of your raise towards savings can make a massive difference over time. This way, you still enjoy improvement, but your future self grows alongside your present self. Financial growth without savings growth creates pressure later. Balanced growth creates freedom. Number 2. Think of retirement as a long phase, not one big number. Many people obsess over one number. I need 3 crore rupees. I need $1 million. I need X amount to retire. But retirement is not a single day. It's a phase that may last 20, 30, or even 40 years. Your expenses will change during that time. Early retirement years may include travel and hobbies. Later years may include healthcare expenses. Instead of chasing one perfect number, focus on building flexibility. Multiple income streams, investments, pensions, rental income, adjustable spending habits, conservative withdrawal strategies. Flexibility reduces fear.